Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a karaoke track using Suno AI. So this method lets you separate the singing voice from the music, giving you a clean instrumental version that you can sing along with. So we will use a song that has already been created in Suno AI and use its stem extraction tool to remove the main vocals. So first, I want you to open Suno AI in your browser and sign into your account. And once you are on the main page, go to your library. So this section contains all the songs that you have generated. Look for the song that you want to turn it into a karaoke track and make sure the song includes vocals because those are what we will separate from the instrumental. After selecting the song, click the three-dot menu beside it and choose Edit. So this will open the editing options for that track. And from here, find and select Get Stems. And then stems are the different audio parts inside a song, such as the vocals, drums, bass, and other instruments. Next, choose the vocals and instrumental option for 10 credits, then click Extract. And once processing is complete, play both versions and select the one with the cleanest instrumental and the least leftover vocal sound. After that, download the instrumental file and save it to your device. I can't show the steps on screen because the feature requires a pro plan, but that is how you can create a karaoke track using Suno AI. So thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.